so what you want? I got a lyric I can spit, so what you want? I'm giving bitches good dick, so what you want? Hey, hey, so what you want? My ghetto pop like hotter than a hot slide. I'm a urban entertainer under hot lies. I don't wanna see no envy cause it's not right.
I'm just a brother who never compromises integrity. My legacy is heavily bury me in the hood. Never think I'm not cautious. Hey, I recognize what a wrong move could cost us. So inside I'm always nervous, but I never look worried. Come for me. Gunshot flurries in a hurry, come get me. Everywhere I perform, stay warm. I'm prepared for the storm, and I brought the heat with me. Lord, please talk to these boys, boy, I lead an evening spore. Put them 6 feet up under the soil, looking at the roots of trees. Better yet, leave their bodies all out in the open so the flies can feed. And when the hood get dry, I supply the need. Y'all faggot niggas keep it moving, honey, ride with me.
Hey, hey,
so what you want?
I got a bullets in the clip, so what you want? I got a lyric I can spit, so what you want? I'm giving bitches good dick, so what you want? Hey, hey, so what you want? My ghetto pop like hotter than a hot slide. I'm a urban entertainer under hot lies. I don't wanna see no envy cause it's not right.
And I never politic when I be on some cool out shit. Don't even run up on me talking about some artists that you signed, cause I don't really give a fuck and I don't really got the time. I'm trying to put some money